kids, today I am going to tell you something amazing about animals. Amazing? What is amazing? Amazing means something different, something surprising, and something very interesting also. Yes, जो आपको नहीं पता है. बट आप तो एनिमल्स को बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को जानते हैं. You don't know about something amazing about some animals. Today ma'am is going to tell you something amazing about animals. Okay, ma'am is going to tell you amazing facts about animals. ठीक है? So watch the video carefully.
So kids, first I am going to tell you something amazing about owls. Yes, something amazing about owls. Owls are active at night. They are awake at night. जैसे हम लोग रात में sleep करते हैं ना, owls does not. Owls रात में नहीं सोते हैं. They awake at night. Owls have large eyes and can see well in the dark. With the help of their large eyes, they can easily see in the dark. Owls has 3 eyelids, one for blink, one for sleep, and one for to keep their eyes clean and healthy. And they can move their neck in all directions. Okay, owls अपनी neck को सारी directions में easily move कर सकते हैं. So it's so amazing facts about owls. It's interesting now. Do you want to know more? Okay, we'll tell you. Now I'm going to tell you about giraffe. Giraffe, it's so tall. Giraffe need to drink water once every few days. Yes, हम लोग तो कितनी जल्दी जल्दी thirsty हो जाते हैं ना. And giraffe only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in 24 hours. 5 to 30 minutes in a day. Interesting. And kids, giraffe cannot make any sound. Other animals make different sounds, but giraffe does not make any sound. Okay, so interesting and so amazing fact about giraffe. Now I'm going to tell you something amazing about frogs. It's rainy season, तो हम लोगों को बहुत सारे frogs देखने को मिलेंगे. Do you know where does frog lives, kids? Frogs lives in water. Okay, if they are live in water, so it is very easy for them to drink water with the help of their mouth. जैसे हम लोग water mouth से drink करते हैं kids, तो it is very easy for them also to drink water with the help of their mouth. No, it is amazing fact. It takes something different about them. They cannot drink water with the help of their mouth. Yes, they can drink water with the help of their skin. Yes, I told you before about some sensory organs. There is skin also. We feel with the help of our skin, and frog can drink water with the help of their skin. So it is amazing and different. Something amazing and very interesting about frog? Yes, it is. Now it's time for snakes. Yes, something amazing and interesting about snakes. Snakes don't blink because they don't have eyelids. Interesting na, and amazing also. Snakes smell with their tongue. They don't have nose. They can smell with their tongue. Very interesting and very amazing fact about snake. Now it's time for squirrel. They are so cute and very small animal. Yes. You know what, kids? Squirrel is an animal whose front teeth never stop growing. Interesting na? Yes, one more thing. Squirrel tail works for him as protection mask. With the help of his tail, it can protect himself according to different weather. In rainy season, its tail act like an umbrella and it can cover himself with the help of its tail in the winter season. So it is so amazing that its tail protects him always. It is so amazing and interesting. So these are some amazing facts about some animals.